Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're diving into the captivating world of Bali Waterfalls, and I've got an exciting film lined up for you that will take you on a journey through the Golden Valley, past the thundering waterfalls in Jitjit and Munduk, all the way up to the mesmerizing Malating. Get ready for an experience like no other as you soar high above the lush forests and tall trees in this Bali jungle. The thrill of it all is truly incredible. Picture yourself floating over the Golden Valley, where an endless stream of golden rice fields stretches out before you. The stunning sight of Jitjit Waterfall is simply breathtaking, and when you visit Munduk or Malating, you'll be treated to a magnificent display of nature's beauty. This film is not just about showcasing these stunning locations, it's about immersing you in them. Feel the cool mist from the waterfalls brush against your face as you stand at their base. And if you're adventurous enough, even fly right into their heart-stoppingly beautiful depths. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey to Bali Waterfalls. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy travels!